People are always looking for more success online. I spend an awful lot of time talking to people about how to get more success online, but actually what does that mean? Fundamentally, normally people are looking to achieve marketing objectives. They're quite often looking to get more visitors onto their website. They're looking to get more success from those visitors, but building numbers of visitors onto a website is really important. I always consider that there to be four key ways of doing that. One is traditional marketing, the traditional marketing of a brand or an organisation. There's email marketing, where you're continually drawing people back to your site because you've got something interesting to say to them, through either email newsletters or promotions or events. There's the whole field of search and anything to do with search engines essentially, and there's lots of new innovative areas coming out there which need to be considered. And there's social media, or what people currently call social media. I think there's an awful lot of mistakes made by people often, and in that they think that let's get a widget or add a bit of technical some know-how or something or another onto their website, some sort of feature. So quite often people put a share button onto a website, but actually nobody really wants to share that content. It's not interesting. And therefore people make this sort of fundamental mistake that they get too involved with the tech or the features or the widgets or the gadgets or a Twitter account or Facebook page or whatever it is. And the problem here is that they're getting hands-on into social media features or whatever, and that actually what they need to do is stop doing that and actually start thinking about communication. Communication is actually the essential part of what's going to occur here if it's going to be successful. If you're going to get more people onto your website, if you're going to communicate your brand in a better way, you need to start thinking about communication. And this is where the real problem starts, is that actually the worst people to work out the best way of communicating your products and your services, or your message, is yourself, because obviously you're too close. You're far too close to the content, you're far too close to your organisation to actually really understand how it will be perceived by other people. And this is where you need help, in essence. You have to talk to somebody else. You need to get either another organisation or another person or a group of people in to actually discuss how to actually communicate effectively. The issues you have are things like channel selection. Which of the communication channels are you going to use, and which should you be using, which should you perhaps not use? That's the first thing that's important. And then actually how to use the correct content, or how to use those channels correctly, and what are you actually going to be communicating through those channels.